Hello, my name is Mitchell with Ideal Classic Cars, and today we'll be looking at the 1969 Shelby GT350. Shelby represents the pinnacle of Mustang performance, and this GT350 is an excellent example of what makes them so special. This fastback looks like it just rolled off the showroom floor back in 1969. The correct Gulfstream Aqua finish is in excellent condition, and the pinch welds are like new. The color is nicely accented by the thick white horizontal stripe and white knit vinyl interior. Under the hood is the numbers matching punchy 351 cubic inch Ram Air V8 engine connected to the strong FMX Cruise-O-Matic transmission. The lightweight fiberglass hood feeds fresh air to that potent power plant, and heat extractor vents help keep it cool in any situation. Other features include rear factory air conditioning, power steering, power front disc brakes, AM/FM stereo, sport deck rear seat, and more. Also included is the Elite Marti Report, a very valuable piece of documentation for any vehicle. According to that Elite Marti Report, this Shelby is one of one with these options that was originally delivered to Texas. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for, let's start that engine. For more information on this vehicle, call 941-966-1900 or visit idealclassiccars.net. For the best way to finance your dream car, use JJ Best. Apply online now and get approved in 5 minutes for low rates and get your dream car. Be sure to call 1-800-USA-1965 or visit www.jjbest.com. Thanks for watching.